Hello everyone, and welcome to the unboxing of the Meec Recip saw, or reciprocating saw. I've learned that it's called the Recip saw. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on how to use a Recip saw. The Meec series, this is the multi-series from Meec Tools. These are sold, as I understand it, exclusively by Jula here in Sweden. Jula is a chain of hardware stores. These are really, I wouldn't call them cheap, even though they are cheap, but they are worth the money, most likely. I have another couple of these tools since previous. And I think I paid 300 Swedish krona for this. And the thing is, it's not included any batteries or any chargers, which is a good thing if you ask me. You can use it to saw in wood and metal, good thing. Variable speed control, quick release blade fastener, including 2 saw blades, yay. And there's a 3-year warranty on these machines, what used to be called the Red series before, or professional. This is the Red series of the Meec Tools. So let's dig into it and see what's in the box. Okay, the manual, as expected. We won't be reading that one, because where's the fun in that? This one seems to have taken a bit of a tumble or something, because it's, yeah, there we go. And the 2 saw blades. Don't know about that one. Away you go. Okay. First impressions. It feels solid. It has a hefty feel to it. Sure, it's plastic, but it's I think it's, yeah, it's rigid. It's not. It seems to be well done, well manufactured. Quick release. Okay. The blades themselves, I would guess, aren't anything special. Neither the metal ones nor the wood ones. Okay, let me go grab a battery and we'll check it out. This is fresh from the charger. It's fully charged right now. And one of the reasons I purchased this tool together with a number of other tools is because I have 2 of these batteries and a charger already. And for the money, it's a lot of tool. And I am a bit curious though, because as you can see, oh yeah, there you go. That's the speed control. I was looking for something knob or another type of control, but yeah, you need to be a bit delicate with your, oh yeah, because it goes from nothing to, hey, whoa, in a hurry. Yep, let's chuck a blade in there, we'll see. There we go. Problem, and it shouldn't be either. This is fairly simple to cut through. Let's go for somewhat bigger piece. Yeah, still good. I won't be testing the metal blade because the quality of the cut with the metal blade is only due down to the blade, and same for this one actually. So yeah, I mean, there's not much to one of these really, but again, it feels sturdy. Let's see, it's still at 4 dots, as it should be. I mean, this isn't that much of that short sawing shouldn't be too much work for this particular saw. So yeah, all in all, I think it's my first impression, good one. It should be worth the money that I paid for it. It's not a huge machine, as you can see. It's still a hobby machine, but it's chunky. It has a good solid feel to it. So I would say that this should last me a long time, and probably your average hobbyist or homeowner as well. I think that's all for this unboxing and first impressions. So thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.